You're the heartbeat at my feet, my sunrise every day. Every breath you take reminds me I'll do all I can to keep you safe. You trust me with your whole life. I see it in your eyes, so I promise I'll stay steady every moment, every time. 'Cause I love you, my dog, more than words, more than life. If the world ever falls, I'll be right by your side. When the seconds start slipping and fear's running strong, I tap the shield, I follow through, I fight for you. I love you, my dog. You're my laughter in the hard days, my comfort when I break. You turn all my empty spaces into something no one else could make. So if you ever stumble, if you ever can't stand tall, I'll give you every chance I can to make it through it all. 'Cause I love you, my dog, more than words, more than life. If the world ever falls, I'll be right by your side. When the seconds start slipping and fear's running strong, I tap the shield, I follow through, I fight for you. I love you, my dog. No panic, no freezing, just the steps I know. You're my heart on four legs, and I won't let go. I love you, my dog. You're my family, my home. If the sky ever breaks, you'll never be alone. When the moment turns fragile and hope feels small, I tap the shield, I do my best, I fight for you. I love you, my dog. I fight for you.